Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have values in A2 and B2. Start by clicking the results cell C2 and typing an equal sign. Use equals A2 B2 for a single subtraction because it directly subtracts the subtrahend from the minuend and stays simple. Once typed, press Enter to commit the formula. Make sure both source cells are formatted correctly so decimals and currency behave as expected. If you prefer to subtract multiple items from one value, plan the range or individual references now. Once the first result works, drag the fill handle down to apply equals A2B2 across rows so you avoid manual entry and reduce errors. If you must subtract several cells from one value, use equals A2 sum, B2, D2, so you aggregate subtractions reliably. This prevents sign mistakes. For dynamic ranges or entire columns, wrap the logic in array formula because it auto-expands and recalculates as new rows arrive, keeping your sheet maintainable and fast. Finish by scanning results for unexpected negatives or error codes. These often come from text-formatted cells or empty inputs. If formulas sometimes fail, wrap them in IFR to show a friendly blank or message, for example equals IFR, A2B2, so users don't see hash value. Make sure to use absolute references like $1 when subtracting a single fixed value from many rows. This locks the reference and prevents mistakes as you copy formulas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.